What's up guys, Mitch here. Today we're talking lower control arms and why your factory lower control arms are the failure point of your build. So let's chat factory control arms and how they are the failure point of most vehicles when they go off-road. These things, no matter what vehicle they are, like these are out of a 300 series, they are super lightweight, made from low tensile steel, nothing impressive there. So the moment you smack these on a rock, they are gonna fold up like no tomorrow. And if you have a Nissan Patrol, it's gonna be even worse because these things look like toothpicks in the back of a Patrol. Now let's talk about our options we have from Superior to replace these little things. We're going to start with our adjustable lower control arms. Now this here is a Nissan Patrol, a very similar configuration over all of the vehicles we make a lower adjustable control arm for. These are a hollow bar arm, so we do put a 10mm strong back on them to give them some added strength for you guys that are heading off-road. Fitted with genuine bushes like all of our control arms as well. We then have our SA5 zinc coating on the arms. Two reasons for this. It is the best corrosion resistance for the outside of the arm when you are heading into the bush or up the beach to stop any rust. But that also helps massively on the internal threads of this arm to make sure those threads never wear out, provided our double lock nut system is completely locked up correctly. As well on these arms, we have a patented thread seal, making sure no water can get in there to even cause any rust as well. So why would you want an adjustable control arm in your four-wheel drive? Now that is to correct the pinion angle when it comes to a rear control arm. Whether you're doing an adjustable upper or lowers like this, what you're trying to do when you lift your vehicle, you are going to be lifting the chassis away from the diff, and what that is going to do is roll that pinion upwards towards the chassis. We're not going to want anything like that, as it's going to cause driveline vibration as your pinion angle where the drive shaft bolts to your pinion on your diff and where the drive shaft bolts to the back of your transfer case. We need to have those two flanges at the closest possible degree we can get them to each other. And these lower control arms can do exactly that for you. By extending this arm, it is going to push your lower mounts on the diff down towards the ground, in turn rolling that pinion exactly the same way, all the way to the point where you have those flanges aligned, and then you can lock these lock nuts up and remain super strong arm. But maybe you already have an adjustable upper control arm and a corrected pinion angle, and you're just looking for a super heavy duty upgrade with some added strength for going off-road. And that is where our solid bar fixed lowers come into play. These are made from 40mm solid bar high tensile steel, as well as having high tensile steel machined bush eyes for those genuine bushes. Again, SA5 zinc coating for the absolute best corrosion resistance. The best part about our solid bar control arms is they come with a lifetime warranty against bending. Now let's chat billet series. Specifically in our lower control arms, we use 7075 T6 aluminium. Now this is a super lightweight material, yet super strong, and amazing machine ability to make sure that we have the lowest tolerances possible in these things, and they look absolutely killer. But for you guys that want to take these out and give them a hard time, there is two amazing things that 7075 billet aluminium control arms offer. That is a memory characteristic, making sure that these can return to their original form after an impact. So the arm will bend and then come back straight, unlike a steel product. Now the second thing is something that Superior Engineering offer, and that is our skid plate. These skid plates are going to become your sacrificial component. Bolt these skid plates on, give them hell in the rocks, and when the skid plates all deformed, these can be replaced, but the control arms still look absolutely killer. Something we've added in to these arms is grub screws in your bush eyelets, making sure that the bush cannot walk side to side in case of any super hard impacts that may stretch that eyelet, again, which is going to retract back to the perfect size, but it may move that bush, and those grub screws are gonna help out massively. So if you're looking for the lightweight, best looking arms out there, you know what it is. It's our Billet 7075 T6 aluminium arms. Now you've got the lowdown on our superior engineering control arms. You know where to go. Jump over to superiorengineering.com.au and get rid of that failure point and those factory arms.